can be late, so he told me to come. He told me to meet me at 10, and he's not even here yet.
You look so fucking ugly.
Chill, bro.
You look
Chill,
so
bro.
fucking ugly.
This is my first time, bro. Chill, bro. I look good, bro. Come on, bro. I look good, bro. Look at me. Oh, you gotta see him slide.
Yeah.
Drop the
Wait,
beat up.
have you ever been on a private jet? Your first time, right?
You want to talk? Damn, look at that shit, bro.
English or Spanish? First one to move is gay.